Hello, friends. Welcome back to Talk Through Tales. Today, I'm going to share a story called My Fitness Journey. In this story, we'll learn 10 phrasal verbs related to fitness and exercise. Story 1. My Fitness Journey. Last year, I made an important decision. I wanted to stay healthy and strong, so I decided to work out every day. In the beginning, it was not easy. I used to feel tired after a few minutes of exercise. My coach told me to always warm up before starting. I followed his advice and began with slow stretches and light jogging. One day, I pushed myself too hard and almost passed out from tiredness. That day, I learned that fitness takes time and patience. My coach reminded me to cool down after each session. I started doing some relaxing stretches at the end of my workouts, and I began to feel better. I wanted to lose weight and look fit, so I tried to burn off extra calories by running every morning. I also cut down on junk food like chips and sweets. Instead, I ate fruits, vegetables, and salads. It was not easy at first, but slowly I got used to it. After a few weeks, I caught a cold, but I managed to get over it quickly because my body had become stronger. Sometimes, I felt completely worn out, especially after long gym sessions. But I didn't give up. I went for a checkup every month to make sure I was healthy and improving. With time, I could feel the difference. My body became more flexible, and I started to build up my stamina. Now I can run for miles without getting tired. Working out has not only changed my body, but also my mind. It helps me burn off stress and stay happy. Today, fitness is a part of my life. I believe that with patience, discipline, and a strong will, anyone can achieve a healthy lifestyle. Now learn the meanings and two example sentences of these phrasal verbs. 1. Workout, exercise physically. Example 1. I work out at the gym every morning. Example 2. She works out to stay fit and healthy. 2. Warm up, prepare for exercise or activity. Example 1. You should warm up before running. Example 2. The players are warming up before the match. 3. Pass out, faint or lose consciousness. Example 1. He passed out because of the heat. Example 2. The old man passed out on the bus. 4. Cool down, reduce the intensity of exercise, relax after working hard. Example 1. Don't forget to cool down after your workout. Example 2. We walked slowly to cool down after jogging. 5. Burn off, use energy or calories through activity. Example 1. Running helps me burn off extra calories. Example 2. I dance to burn off stress after work. 6. Cut down on, reduce the amount or number of something. Example 1. I'm cutting down on sugar to stay healthy. Example 2. We should cut down on watching TV. 7. Get over, recover from illness, difficulty, or sadness. Example 1. She got over the flu quickly. Example 2. It took me time to get over my fear of swimming. 8. Check up. Have a medical examination. Example 1. I went for a health checkup last week. Example 2. The doctor said I need a regular checkup. 9. Wear out. Become very tired or exhausted. Example 1. I'm completely worn out after cleaning the house. Example 2. Long working hours wear me out. 10. Build up. Develop or increase strength, confidence, or ability. Example 1. He is building up his muscles by lifting weights. Example 2. I want to build up my confidence in speaking English. If you like this story, please like, share, and subscribe to Talk Through Tales for more fun English stories. See you soon.